Hello guys, today I will show you how you can replace the blinker of the headlight of Opel Corsa D. In my previous upload I show you how you can remove this headlight. That's one way how you can replace it. You need to loosen this bolt. Also over here you can see a bolt. And there is a bolt over here, but then you need to release the bumper on this side. And the other way you can do it is to remove the entire air filter, and then you can open that part, and then you can turn out the blinker bulb. But I will show it to you when this headlight is built out. And if you want to see how I did it, you can see it on my previous video. Because we had some damage on the car, I needed to buy a new headlight, and some guys from the UK has asked me how to replace the blinker of a Corsa D or E. So we will take a closer look when the headlight is built out. So you can see over here there's the bumper. So the bumper has to be released to take out this headlight. You have one bolt over here. You have one bolt over here and also one bolt over here. Also over here, there grab some parts in. To adjust the height, I think. And then over here you can see, if you turn it counterclockwise, you release this like that. If you push over here and slide it a little bit over there, you can remove this bulb, disconnect this wiring, and you can take the bulb out. To place it in again, do it like that, and the bulb is in the correct position. I will slide this part in again. To close it, turn it clockwise. Over here is the day running light. To unlock it, turn it counterclockwise, and then you can take it out. Just pull on it and you can change the bulb. And over here, this is the upper side of the headlight. Just take this like that, and you can take this part away. And then below you can see the blinker. Over here is the blinker. So this is the low beam and that is the high beam. And to replace the blinker, just turn this counterclockwise. Disconnecting the wiring, just push over here, push over here and pull at the same time, and then we have to release that part. So you don't have to turn with this part, but only the inside you have to turn like that, and then you can replace the bulb. You have to buy this in one piece, I think, because the bulb is stuck on the plastic piece. So this is the bulb. And you can see the part numbers over here. SHPC, SHPC 12 volt 24 WY. New gasket B209 GB from Philips. Also here we have a part number HPC 24 WY. So that is a closer look to a headlight of an Opel Corsa D. This is on the passenger side, so when you're sitting in the car, it's the right side, because we live in Belgium and we drive on the right side of the road. So that is a closer look to a headlight of an Opel Corsa D. This one is from building year 2012. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.